Hello! Oh my goodness, you dropped your phone again. Come on people, protect your investment. So one of the first things I purchase after getting a brand spanking new phone is gonna have to be a case. So when Ghostek reached out to me and said, hey Handsome Gadgets, let me send you some cases, I was like, all right, send them my way. So when these babies came in the mail, I slapped it on and I've had it on my phone for about 3 weeks. So you can pick up the Covert 3 case for about 15 bucks. But they were super sweet to the Handsome Nation that they're gonna give us an additional 20% off. Just use the coupon code down in the description below upon checkout. Oh, so you say, well, I don't have a Google Pixel 3a XL, so what am I gonna do with this case? Well, they don't just make cases just for Google phones. They make it for Samsung. They make it for Apple. Heck, they even make some cases for LG. So check them out using the link down below. But let's check out these cases. So here we got the Ghostek Covert 3. This thing's been drop tested, non-slip grip, and a limited lifetime warranty. If we open this up, we can see their impact technology. Upon the side, Covert 3, Ghostek, and the back right here, we got a better look at the case. It's got a diamond grip, multi-layered technology, soft touch buttons, and slim, precise fit. If we slide this out, we can get to our case. And here we have the case. Hashtag Agent of the Ghostek. They're also going to provide us with the troll sticker, of course. But let's slap this baby on my phone and we'll go into more of the details. Here we go. Pixel 3a XL, meet Ghostek case. And here we have it installed. So as we can see, a very slim and minimal design. There is a lip here on the front. So if you lay your phone down, the screen is not going to touch whatever surface it's laying on. We have our 4 corner bumpers on each corner, of course. We got our cutouts where they should be. You can see the speaker grill, as well as a USB-C charging port. On the other side, we have access to a 3.5mm headphone jack, no problem. On the side right here, power button on display, volume up, volume down, good to go. And here we have a look at the back side. So just like the front, the back has a nice cushion. So God forbid, if it ever were to fall, it would have a nice cushion to bounce from. All right, in case you want to know the name of this one's called the Smoke. And we got the clear one over there. Let's pop that on, let's check it out.
Bam.
Clear one is on and it's good to go. Side, we have access to power button once again, volume up and volume down. We got a better look at our bumpers on the side, and here's a look at the back. Same cutouts, same goodness. So what do you think of the design? Does it look good to you? Because it sure looks good to me, especially with these red color accents in the corners. Ooh-wee. This is a good looking case. And just like other videos, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Or tell Ghostek that Handsome Gadgets sent you there. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on any Ghostek cases, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things Handsome Gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Handsome Gadgets. Thank you and have a good one.